The first thing we're looking for is someone that's just willing to learn. We do a lot of teaching, whether you're building stuff in our shop, whether you're in our sales and marketing team learning about our products and services, or if you're actually men up in the field on our equipment.
That's what we do. That's where we excel, is training the people to make them successful. You just have to be willing to come to work, take the challenge of the hours, and have a good work ethic. The rest of it we'll teach you.
A lot of the employees that worked in the field now are all different types of positions. The growth is always there for them.
Been with the company for 3 years now. I started out as a clerk, did that for about 10 weeks, worked maintenance for about 3 months. Then I got promoted to assistant supervisor, did that for another 2 months and got promoted to superintendent.
You can move up as fast as you want. That's what's so great about this job, is a lot of us do things at different paces. And when I came here, I didn't know how to turn wrenches. I didn't know how to do anything. I knew how to weld. Their opportunity is always there.
We average about 9 months a year is what we work with, the time off and then the days off that you get while you're out here. You make the same amount of money as your friends do at home that's busting 12, 14 hours a day. You get it out here in 9 months. There's no other entry-level job that gives you 3 months a year off.
You've got a lot of the protections and security blankets from what are normal small business risks. You've got a strong financial backing with the organization, you've got a strong legal team, you've got these corporate blankets around you. So when you're out there running your machine as a small business, you don't have to worry about all that. You can really focus on just doing the job at hand, developing your people, working directly one-on-one with the customer, and providing the service that they're looking for out of Loram.
You're encouraged to succeed. They do everything they can to help you. The opportunities is what you want. Loram's one of the few companies in the world that you set your limitation. It's what you want and what you want to accomplish is what they help you to do.
Travel on the railroad tracks is special, and there's a very, very small group of people that get that opportunity to go where there are no roads.